All right, guys, here we go again. So this is page 138. We're still working on straight edges. So really, we can use a straight edge for a lot of information, okay? It helps us get a horizontal and vertical alignment, which means I can stick a level on it and help me determine if we are plumb, okay? We can extend the surface for measurement, meaning I may need to make sure something is so big. I can also put a plumb bob on it, okay? And it helps me determine the center. So when they're asking here in this illustration A, which is the one on the left, how is the straight edge being used? Okay, well, this here is shown as a plumb bob. A plumb bob really is a line that looks like it has a little copper or bronze top on it. Okay, and it allows us to make sure that we can find the center of things. Okay, so how are we using it? Well, we're using it to locate a center because we can see here long, short, long. This shows us the center. All right, in illustration B on the right, how is the straight edge being used? Well, we have the straight edge here, and we're trying to find out if our alignment is correct. Okay, so we're looking at a vertical alignment. And if the plumb line were removed from illustration A, what else can we use this for? Well, we can also establish uh, a measurement here. All right, here it is, the official definition of plumb line. And it has really ultimately a pointed metal weight, and it's suspended, okay? And it allows us to find a point or relationship to a surface, okay? So this plumb line establishes the center of one, this pipe, okay? The plumb line is perpendicular, you can see here, and horizontal surface of item 2. Okay, so fill in the blanks. Which setup tool is used to check the horizontal alignment of 3 and 4? Well, here's 4 and here's 3. How can I check that? Which tool is used to check the right angle relationship between bosses? When they mean bosses, they mean these little pipes of 3, 4, and 2. Okay? And which tool is used to extend the surfaces of bosses 3 and 4 to establish a true horizontal surface? All right, a level, a plumb bob, and a straight edge. Square, oh boy. Well, I think this one is probably one of the most important tools you have in your toolbox. Squares can be used to make sure something is true and plumb. Okay, so we can use it on the outside, we can use it on the inside, and we can make sure that things are 90 degrees. So here they say with the check with the square indicates that items 3, right here and right here, are at right angles to 1, right here. And also verifies that items 3 are parallel with each other. And then they want you to add locations necessary to set up items 1 and 2. So I would probably put one here, 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 and here. Okay. Item 1 is parallel to the faceplate. A square placed on the faceplate and against item 2 would prove that item 2 is what to the faceplate? Well, I would say perpendicular and at a 90-degree angle to 1. All right, a protractor. I know this is your arch nemesis, math. But protractors are kind of important because they give us angles and degrees. This is really important when we're trying to find a bevel. Okay? So when we look, they're talking about surfaces and degrees. So we have a surface here, or I should say a point here, surface B, and surface C. Okay? So B comes into a 60 degrees. Pretty easy, right? Not so easy now. Okay, so they give us a reference point. Okay, the points are labeled 1 through 10, and the surfaces are A through H. So the first one is surface B and surface C. So here's my surface B, and here's my surface C. What point is it, and what degree is my angle? Okay, surface A, surface F, point, angle. All right, D, and E. This is my point. This is my angle. And A and G. So here is A and here is G. This is my point and this is my angle. All right, guys, let's keep this up.